Did you know that self-motivation is what it takes in order to alter your life? So, the $1 million question is, what is motivation and how to use it to your own advantage? Self-motivation is the ability to do what needs to be done without influence from other people or situations. People with self-motivation can find a reason and strength to complete a task, even when challenging, without giving up or needing another to encourage them. Norman Vincent Peale said, "Believe in yourself, have faith in your abilities. Without a humble but reasonable confidence in your own powers, you cannot be successful or happy." Motivation is what pushes us to achieve our goals, to feel more fulfilled and improve our overall quality of life. George Herbert said, "Do not wait, the time will never be just right. Start where you stand and work with whatever tools you may have at your command, and better tools will be found as you go along." Have you heard the saying, "Where there is a will, there is a way"? That's exactly how we should think. Sometimes, in order to be self-motivated, we must do the things that are difficult to do, or even the things that we're not up for it, so we can find the way. Eleanor Roosevelt said, "The future belongs to those who believe in the beauty of their dreams." We can only see the good and final results of something when we persist and battle through the tough times and reject our negative thoughts, and consequently, don't give in to our false perceived inabilities. Michael Phelps understood this when he said, "There will be obstacles, there will be doubters, there will be mistakes, but with hard work, there are no limits." So what is it that you need to be self-motivated? Find out how things work. You need ideas, perhaps new ideas, that will help you move forward with your life. The lack of ideas is what keeps most people stationary and not able to achieve their goals or have a successful life. The lack of ideas on how to create money and wealth is the problem. Not the money itself, but the lack of ideas on how to create it. The lack of ideas on how to create health and new habits in your life is the real problem, and not your current health, because in most cases, you can change it completely. The lack of ideas to create happiness in your life is the real issue, because you can make your life so much better by the decisions that you make through these new ideas. You can choose to treat someone better today, to compliment someone for their efforts, and also choose to live better moments in the here and now. George Whitefield said, "Press forward, do not stop, do not linger in your journey, but strive for the mark set before you." To find out how things work, you must write down your ideas and make sure you study in depth whatever subject you want to find out in order to improve and change your life. We understand that we cannot do everything that we find out. However, we should find out all we can do. We must be curious, motivated, and have the ability to do anything we want for change. There are certain things that you can do to be self-motivated, like listening to motivational music, watching motivational videos like this one, become a reader and read certain books that will help boost your motivation on a daily basis. Just a quick note, there are books for almost all subjects in life. There are books on how to be decisive, stronger, smarter, how to have self-discipline, how to make money, how to have a successful and happy life, and so on and on. Now, I'm going to share with you some powerful motivational techniques that I personally use that will help you become self-motivated, and you can use these techniques to your own advantage. Set wisely chosen personal goals that you are excited about. Schedule rewards for yourself when you accomplish your goals. Visualize yourself achieving and fulfilling these goals. Create a vision board with your goals and write them down somewhere that you will see it every single day. Ensure your own self-care, including physiological needs such as food and sleep, safety needs, social and esteem needs. Envision what could happen when you reach your goals, as well as what could happen when you fail to reach your goals. And finally, make a commitment to someone or even yourself to ensure that your future self will find it difficult to procrastinate or change plans. If you really want to bring all of this to the next level and truly increase your self-motivation, you then must try gratitude for all that you have in life, and also use the power of meditation as your primary tool.